How to create Shopify account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a Shopify account. So for that, just head on to the Shopify official website, and after that, in order to create a new account, you have to click on start free trial from the top right. And here you have to answer a few questions in order to get started in your Shopify account. And if you scroll down, you will also see the option called skip all or skip. So you can simply go ahead and click on skip all if you don't want to answer these questions. Now you have to select your business location, and so the country of yours will be automatically or by default will be there. So just click on next. And after that, you have to enter an email address of your preference. So choose the email address that you want to log into your account to. Now just select the email address, and now you are in the homepage of the Shopify website. So this is how simple it is to create your Shopify account in just few steps. So I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.